Napagod ako ngayon. Dito kami ngayon sa Iranian restaurant. Tingnan nyo guys, ang daming mga pictures dito, yung mga kumain. Ayan lahat ng kumain dito. It's very antique. Very antique place. O yan, kakain daw kami ng Iranian special kebab. Maya-maya yun. That one! Nokia! I had that! It's very antique here. Everything is old. But that was my first phone. With antenna. The more the older it looks, it's better. Because the theme of the restaurant is like this, like antique. Everything is antique here. 72 years serving of memories. Silipin natin. Oh, this is nice. This is really good. I know. It's going to taste really good. Ayan. This is good. And look at the rice. Look at the rice. Oh, this is one of the best rice in Dubai. The Iranian rice. I think this is pomegranate. Pomegranate, right? Yeah. Ang sarap niya, napakasarap niya. Dapat lalagyan ng butter. Ganyan, no? Lagi siyang may butter pagkakainin mo. Lagay mo lang siya dito. Sa rice. Yan, ganyan lang. Nice. Good. The onion. Cha-cha na kami. Iranian tea. With mint leaf. This is for me. Ano yan guys dito? Pagka ganyan kumakain kayo sa ganitong klase ng restaurant. Lagi silang merong serving ng tea. Ayan. Libre yan. Walang bayad. Ustad. Special kebab. Lunch. Dito yan sa Bar Dubai. Ayan guys. Kita nyo simpleng-simple lang yung restaurant. Pero ang daming taong pumapasok. Dumating kami dito ng 1 hour ago. Labas-pasok ang mga tao. Bilisan ang kainan kasi marami pa yung naghihintay. Ang galing, ang sarap ng pagkain dito. Pagka kayo nakapunta ng Dubai, pasyalan nyo yan, magugustuhan nyo itong restaurant na ito.